and today we're making paper airplanes. Now to make a paper airplane, you'll need none of this stuff. You don't need any of that stuff. All you need to make a paper airplane is a piece of paper. Now the first thing we're gonna do with our paper is we're gonna fold it in half the long way, or the hot dog way as I like to call it. The next thing we're gonna do is take this corner right here and we're gonna fold it so that it meets the seam of the paper. Nice. Cool. Now we're gonna flip it over, do the same thing on the other side. Sweet. Last step, we're gonna fold those wings down. And there you have it!